Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. You notice I am wearing my blue robe. I am trying on clothes for you. Today we have another Fashom. Now, this box has been sent to me for review, but I will always give you my honest opinions. So, Fashom is a clothing styling service. You sign up, you go on their website, you fill out a detailed profile, you get paired with a stylist, you are able to leave your stylist a note. The thing that is a little different about Fashom is that you can actually pick the clothing that they send to you. They'll send you an email, they'll give you around 7 items to choose from, you pick 5 of those items, or you have the option to ignore that email, whichever you want to do. They do have a $15 styling fee, which is applied to any purchase that you make. Fashom has been kind enough to extend the $50 credit giveaway that they are doing for my channel and for all of you. I do need to revise my statement a little bit. I just wasn't 100% clear the first time around, but you do actually need to go on. You need to fill out the profile, and you actually need to sign up to get your first box. And when you sign up to get your first box, then you are entered into the $50 credit giveaway. They are extending that giveaway to 7 days after this video is posted. They are sending me this box 3 times for me to review it for you guys. This is the second box, and on the third box, I will, in conclusion, give you all of my thoughts about this box. But in the meantime, there is a link down below, and that is for my first Fashom box that has all kinds of great information. So please go and watch that video. It tells you all kinds of great things about the company. And with that being said, let's get into Fashom. So opening up my box, have my packaging here, and I did choose my thing, so I know everything that is in this packaging. You also get a return shipping label, so for anything that you do not keep, you just simply put it back in there, throw it back in the mail and send it back. You can go online, check out, leave your feedback for all the pieces that they sent to you, so your stylist has a better grasp of the things that you actually like. You get an envelope that says "Hello, Beautiful," and then you do get a card that gives you the directions. I will take a picture and put it on a screen for you. And then you get your invoice. I will also take a picture of this and put it on the screen. The really good thing about this service is that if you get 3 or 4 items, you get a 25% discount, and if you purchase all 5 items, then you get a 30% discount. So let's get into trying these on. So the first dress we have is the V-neck striped maxi dress by Staccato for $45. I really think that this dress is cute. It's long, it's flowy, it's very breathable material, and it has pockets. Oh, that's cute. I do like the stripe. I think they are very pretty colors. It's really super cute. This dress will go into the maybe pile. Next we have the striped ruffle sleeved long dress by Chris and Carol for $42. I think this dress is cute. I think the little peplum detail on the sleeves is cute. I'm not really 100% sure this is my style. I think I might just be a little bit too busty for it, the way it kind of cuts me off here. It is cute. I do like the stripes, and it also has pockets. I'm just really unsure of how it kind of cuts off at the top. Next we have the Emily Scalloped satin dress by Paper Moon for $45. I think the color is pretty. I think the length is a good length. Again, I'm not really digging the way it fits across my breast. It does have a second layer under here that keeps bunching up. I don't know. I don't think that this is entirely my style. Just not really digging the way it is fitting across my breasts. So this is going to be a no. Here we have the all-over lace cocktail dress by Adriana Papel for $80. This dress is 100% my style. I love the lace detailing. I love the detailing in the V-neck, and I love the pleating across the top here and on the side. This is 100% my style of dress. This is definitely a yes for me. Next we have the Katie Wine Diamond Pencil Skirt by Margaret M for $49. I think this skirt is cute. I think it's very well made. I love the coloring, but I am almost positive I have this exact same skirt in my closet, if not something very, very similar. As you can see, please ignore the shirt. I just threw it on. It was handy because I didn't get a shirt in this fashion box. So ignore the shirt, but I am holding it up here so you can see that it is a high-waisted skirt, or at least it is for me, because if I were to wear it down, it would be way too long for me. It's almost a little too long for me wearing it this high. I do like my skirts to be a little bit shorter, but I do like the way it fits. I do like the way it looks on me. But like I said, unfortunately, I have something in my closet that is very similar, if not the exact same thing. So this skirt will be a no. Okay, you guys, so it was just driving me crazy. I really do like the skirt that I'm wearing, so I had to go check in my closet before I absolutely said no to this skirt, and it's very similar. It is a Margaret M skirt. The only difference is it's in petite, but it's almost identical. So I just wanted to show you that I wasn't lying, that I could have swore I had a dress or a skirt that was very similar in nature, and it is. So sadly, this skirt is a no, even though I really do like it. Okay, so out of this entire box, I decided that this time around I'm only going to keep the all-over lace cocktail dress for $80. I'll stick it up in one of the corners here, which means I will not get a discount, but just to remind you, if you do keep 3 or 4 items out of the box, you get a 25% discount. If you keep all 5 items, you do get 30% off. Again, my link is down below. And if you want to be entered into the $50 credit giveaway, click on my link, go fill out a profile, and order your first box, and you will be entered into the giveaway of winning a $50 credit. Also, I forgot to mention that your first styling fee of $15 is waived, and for a very brief time, if you sign up using my link, you also get $20 toward your first fashion box. I get $20 toward my next fashion box. It's kind of a win-win. And also, just a reminder, my other fashion will be linked down below. Please go and watch that. That has all kinds of information about the styling service. And I will see you on my next fashion unboxing to give you my final thoughts about this box. Have a great day. Bye.